touching trains. Yes, we are touching trains. We are touching trains. Oh yes, we're touching trains. So this has arrived in the post. A nice set as a non-running Hornby from the late 90s, and we shall investigate this. So there she is revealed. Nice set.
Yeah, this looks lovely.
So get the loco out.
Condition. Let's see what's come out of it. Tightly packed. Right. Good condition overall. It's got the dummy pantograph, so the changeover switch is redundant, so we don't need that. So let's get a piece of straight track, put it on,
Get them.
let's have a little look. Wheels on, there we go. We get our
Classic 9-volt.
classic 9-volt, let's see what happens.
That's a.
Oh dear. Well, the motor runs, but no forward motion.
Okay.
So,
We'll have open her up and have a look.
yeah. Right, so we'll just do a quick investigation. So we got tightly grip the motor bogie, and the clip should be there, so we just push that in a little bit. It's one wire. We unpull that, pull that off, and we have a look. And straight away we see the later alloy gear, drive gear, which feels loose on the shaft. So we'll just check that. I'll show you that on camera, and it works.
Oh yeah.
See?
That's the noise. Yeah.
That's the noise. All that noise is that it's slipping on the shaft.
Right.
Right, so that has come loose. So there's two ways we can do
Turn
this.
it into the light a bit that way.
Yeah,
That's it.
there's two ways we can do this. You can either pull that off, little dab of super glue, put it on, which is a temporary repair, or what we can try and do is replace it with a earlier brass gear,
Okay.
which is what they used to do with a cost-cutting reasons.
Would you have to clean that shaft so that the glue would adhere?
Yeah, because it'll probably have some wear. It's been spinning.
Yeah.
So you can see, if you look closely, I don't know if you can see in there, we can do that. And the armature, which is at the bottom, when I turn it, it's not moving.
Yeah.
So it's spinning on the shaft.
Right.
So we'll address that next.
Right.
Right, so this is what we're going to replace that with, an old brass one.
So it's the same, is it?
It's exactly the same, but this is some sort of soft alloy, and this is brass. So we're going to remove the bogie.
So that's some kind of soft alloy that wasn't made in Margate.
Yeah. So what you want to do when you're taking these off is look for the big hole.
Yeah.
Against the small hole. Put your screwdriver in, just gently pull away. That will release the motor bogie frame. So now we're going to take that off there just by lifting.
Okay.
There we go. I'll take those off. Take those off, and that will probably pull off. See?
Yeah.
Didn't even have to try do anything, which just helps us in a way, because now all I've got to do is push that on. Now then, now we have a problem.
Okay.
Because that shaft has been worn down. But not to worry, because we might have a better one. Let's have a look.
So you might have to replace the shaft.
Possibly, but we might have a better, newer gear. This one looks, yeah, that's better. Because that one was worn as well. Push that off there. Somehow, see, that's gripped already, which is good news. Right, so okay, so that's the way it naturally goes on. So we'll lose those, we'll put those in there, just for the hell of it. Put these back, good housekeeping. Now then, I'll say on the back of that, let's take the strain, block of wood. We're going to get a box spanner, and all we're going to do is whack it home. But before we do, a little bit of oil just on the shaft more we can get to it. There we go. Right. Now then, here we go. And that should be all we need.
Wow.
We'll do a little bit of dab, 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 dab. Pop our primary, secondary gears in. Where is it? There it is. Now primary gears. And because I like to do it, I'll polish up. So it looks so much better. There we go. It's all nice and clean. Whack that back under. Right. Trusty 9-volt. Keep your fingers crossed.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Lovely stuff.
So should we put it back in the loco and see what she does?
Okie doke, let's do it.
Right. Okay. And put it back in the frame.
Back in the frame. Again, check your big hole, your small hole.
Right.
So they match up with the tangs that way round. So it's small to small. Just hook it back in like that. And just flip it on. Done.
Oh yeah.
Now then, look at your wheels. They're live and they're insulated.
Yeah.
So this has to go the opposite way around.
Oh.
So there's your insulated, there's your live.
Yeah.
So that goes that way around. So the sort of like tang there, we've got a step there, goes to the rear of the body.
And the wire, just one
goes
wire.
on that one there. One wire. This is the simple version. Goes on there like that.
Why is it only one wire? Do the others have lights then?
Well, some of them had the earth wire, but they don't need it on this one. And plus, we haven't got all the wiring for the pantograph because the pantograph's dummy.
It's a dummy. Yeah.
Yeah, so you put it in that way. Just push it home, and there we go. It's right on the track. Right now, 10 minutes ago, this wasn't working. We just replaced one bit.
So you've got, I see you've got a 9-volt in
9
there.
volt again.
You just twist, yeah, because they run on 12.
Yep.
So
if it runs on,
a 9,
well, this is an old 9.
mm-hmm.
It's as good as that. Oh, there we go.
Look at that. It's
Silent
quiet
and running. Look at that.
So she should be able to pull a
whole train.
whole train, hopefully.
And
Yeah.
we've saved Christmas.
Well, thanks for watching Touching Trains, and we'll
Yes.
see you again
I'm
soon.
going to touch this train.
I think I might have a touch, actually.
Touch it, touch it. Oh.